Hi everyone, it's Sophia here, your favorite YouTube blogger. I'm so excited to share this beautiful day with you as we explore this stunning beach together. As I walk along the shoreline, the soft sand beneath my feet, I'm captivated by the mesmerizing blue sea that stretches out before me. The sun's rays are gently kissing the water, creating a sparkling, almost magical effect. The sound of waves crashing against the shore is incredibly soothing and truly makes me appreciate the beauty of nature. There are people here enjoying the beach, some sunbathing on their towels, while others are splashing around in the water, laughter filling the air. Families are building sandcastles together, creating fun memories that will last a lifetime. It's such a heartwarming sight to witness the joy that this beach brings to everyone. This beach has an interesting history, too. It was once a hidden gem, known only to locals, but over time, word spread about its breathtaking beauty, and it has now become a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. The surrounding area is also home to some incredible wildlife, such as sea turtles and various species of birds. It's a true paradise on Earth. Thank you for joining me on this little beach adventure. I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did. If you loved this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.